Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of blocked account on the application of NFL app. You will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NFL. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You search about the application of NFL. Then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.